Welcome my dear students. In the previous class we learned about meaning and functions of commerce. Today we are going to learn about branches of commerce. Commercial activity may be classified into two broad categories, that is trade and aids to trade or auxiliaries to trade. Let us discuss it in detail. What is meant by trade? Trade means buying and selling of goods and services with the aim of earning profit. It involves exchange of commodities for money. Traders serves as a link between producers and consumers because they purchase goods from producers and sell it to the consumers. The objective of trade is to make the goods and services available to those persons who need them and are able and willing to pay for them. Trade may be classified into two, that is home trade and foreign trade. First let us see home trade and its classification. Home trade is also known as domestic trade or internal trade. It means buying and selling within the geographical boundaries of one country. In home trade, both the buyer and seller belongs to the same country. Home trade may further subdivided into wholesale trade and retail trade. Wholesale trade means buying and selling of goods in bulk or large quantities. The traders engaged in wholesale trade are called wholesalers. The wholesalers purchase goods in large quantities from the producers and sell them to the retailers. So they are the connecting link between the producers and the retailers. Retail trade means buying and selling of goods in small quantities. Traders engaged in retail trade are called retailers. A retailer purchases goods from the wholesalers and sell them to the ultimate consumers. So he serves as a connecting link between the wholesalers and consumers. Next we move on to the classification of foreign trade. What is meant by foreign trade? Foreign trade is also known as external trade or international trade. It means buying and selling of goods and services between two or more countries. It provides a very wide market for the distribution of product. But some problems are associated with the foreign trade, such as means of transport, foreign currency, licensing, government rules and regulations. These are the some problems associated with the foreign trade. Foreign trade may further subdivided into export trade, import trade and import trade. Export trade means sale of goods to foreign countries. For example, India exports cashew nuts, rice and other agricultural products to European countries. Import trade means purchase of goods from the foreign countries. For example, India buys petrol from Iran. Import trade is also known as re-export trade. It means purchasing goods from one country for the purpose of exporting them to the another country. For example, India imports certain commodities from European countries and export them to Nepal and Bhutan.